Is it trying to learn languages need motivation? This is the right time to learn French, English, and Yoruba languages with ease.
Bonjour à tous. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Right Time TV, the space where English, French, and Yoruba languages are being taught with fun. Alright, if you want to speak French, you need to learn the numbers. And we're going to deal with the numbers from 1 to 20 today in just 5 minutes. Are you ready to learn? Then let's go! Sure, we are diving into numbers today in French. As you know, French language is another very important language for your businesses. It is one of the basic languages that are being used all over the globe. And in Africa per se, you need to learn this language to be able to do your businesses as much as possible. So today, I want us to learn some of these numbers just from 1 to 20 in some very few minutes. 1 in French is Please, for those of us that are non-native speakers, anytime I pronounce, please pronounce after me so that you can get the words very well. 2. 2 is deux. Deux. All right. 3 is being pronounced as trois. In French, it is trois. Trois. 4 is quatre. Quatre. 5 in French is cinq. Cinq. Please don't mind the spellings, don't mind the wordings. Just focus on the pronunciation first. The wordings are going to be mastered later. Okay? We go to 6. 6 in French is six. Six. Then we have 7 as sept. Sept. 8 is being pronounced in French as huit. Huit. All right, huit. 9 is neuf. Neuf. And 10 is dix. 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 So please, if you want more of this, I will want you to always give me a thumb up. Share to as many people as possible. Comment. Let's know what you don't understand so that I can revisit them. Thank you. So let's continue. I said 10 is this. This. 11 is onze. 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 Yes, you got me right. 12. 12 in French is douze. 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 All right. 13. 13 in French is treize. 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 14 is quatorze. 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 15 is quinze. Quinze. And 16 is 16. 16. 16. We have 17 as 17. 17. It's just like adding 10 to 7. This, 10 is this, and the 7 is set. So 17 is this set. This set. 18 is this width. This width. As you know, this and the width. 19, this neuf. This neuf. The same thing. This and neuf. 20 is 20. 20 in French is 20. Okay? So those are the numbers in French from 1 to 20. Let's go over again and see how far we can be able to assimilate. This time we are not going to use the English pronunciation again. So from 1 to 20. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. These are numbers from 1 to 20. If you can do this, then you're good to go. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Right Time TV, so that when anything comes out, you are going to be the first person to come across it. Thank you for watching. God bless you. A bientôt.
Your time, please.